In this video, I will show you how to disconnect a wallet from Dex Screener. To get started, go ahead and open dexscreener.com on your device. So as you can see in here, I'm already signed into my account using my email at the bottom left corner of the screen. So if you're signed into your account using your wallet, you can also find it at the bottom left of your screen. Click on that ear icon and connect wallet. So here are the wallet selection that you can choose from to connect to your Dex Screener. So for example, you have actually connected your wallet. You can do is to click on that connected wallet button. So for example, I set this signed in with Google as an example. So simply click on that sign in with Google tab, and that will allow me to disconnect my Gmail account to Dex Screener, and that is how you can also apply that for connected wallet on Dex Screener. So once you click on that, what will happen is that will sign you out of your account on Dex Screener connected to that wallet, and that's basically how you can disconnect a wallet on Dex Screener. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.